Tesla is building a battery factory at Giga Texas, and Tesla needs lots of batteries to run its cars. But that battery permit is in danger because it's challenged by environmentalists, just like at Giga Berlin. Here's what they want. Welcome back, dear friends. This is Armen Haryan from TorqueNews.com. If you are here first time, please subscribe to our channel for daily Tesla news and ring the bell so you don't miss my next coverage. So a group of environmentalists has requested the city of Austin to withhold Tesla's permits for building a battery cathode facility near the Colorado River, local newspaper Austonia reported, citing a letter from the activist group. So what happened is this. In a letter to Austin Mayor Steve Adler, a group named People Organized in Defense of Earth and Her Resources said the manufacturing process will require a substantial amount of water and chemicals, which would result in forming a hazardous waste stream. Just like at Giga Berlin, here again the water seems to be the issue. Here's a quote from that letter. Where will the toxic waste end up? How will Austin ensure that it doesn't pollute the water? The letter asked. The activist group is demanding that the city wait on permit approval of Tesla Giga Texas battery until the company makes commitments to engage with the community and protect the environment. Tesla did not immediately respond to Benziga's request for comment because they tried to reach them out. So why this matters? This is not the first time Tesla has been confronted by environmentalist activists. If electric vehicle makers Giga Berlin factory, which opened earlier this year, struggled to secure approvals for months after local activists opposed its opening. The development comes a week after Tesla was kicked out of the S&P 500 ESG index, which I reported earlier, which includes companies that follow environmental, social, and governance principles. So the group's point is this. If we do not raise the bar for the increasing number of corporations who wish to relocate to Austin or expand their presence, we risk losing precisely that which attracts people to live here in the first place. The clean, beautiful environment that is the foundation of our collective quality of life, the letter also stated. So friends, what do you think? I think this is very interesting that Tesla is having the same issues, maybe reasonable issues, because I'm also for the environment, and all electric the car enthusiasts are doing this for the environment. So the group, which is in the acronym is PODER, launched an initiative known as the Colorado River Conservancy to protect the character of the river corridor, and Paul DiFiore, manager of the initiative, talked about its aim to put protections in place for riverfront neighborhoods. And remember that Tesla has said that they're going to build a beautiful neighborhood at Gigafactory, Texas, for people to come, and it's going to be like a very beautiful, nice place for families to come and visit. But this is where we are right now. Tesla is going to have a similar issue, I don't want to call it a problem, that Tesla had at Giga Berlin, and they got commitments from Tesla in Germany to ensure the environment and the water protection is not hurt, is not put in danger when it builds at Gigafactory Berlin and the battery factory. And now the activists and environmentalists in Austin area, which have a good quality of life, want the same for their region. What do you think, friends, all of these developments? This is Armen Haryan from TorqueNews.com. If you are here first time, please subscribe to our channel for daily Tesla news and ring the bell so you don't miss my next Tesla story.